What's up, YouTube? Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of your coilovers on the Infinity Q50. I got my little kick in there, gonna be hanging out, right, Serge? Relax. Alright, so yesterday I got new tires and I raised the car up because I wasn't sure about the clearance on the back. So as you can see, I'm kind of 4x4 and a little bit more than I'd like. So first thing you do is figure out how much lower you want it to be. So I just got to get a base number. So right now, from the top of the lip of the wheel to the fenders is about 4 inches. I want it to be right around the top of the tire, so we need to lower it another inch to where it's 3 inches. So basically, like right here will be even with the fender. So we got to just lower it about an inch. So let me show you. Alright, so there's really only 2 tools you need other than floor jack and the tools to take your wheels off. So right here is the Silver's Neomax coilovers for the Q50. Absolutely love the ride, but you can kind of see how this discoloration, that's how much I raised it from where it was before. It's about 2.5, maybe 3 inches. I had to change it and raise the car last night or 2 nights ago because of the tires that I put on were a little bit wider than what I had before. And I wanted to make sure there's plenty of clearance when I got to the tire shop. And then, so when I got home, I figured I'd just readjust it before I go do the alignment next week. So here's a trick, or the key. You gotta take this locking ring and hold that thought. My doors are open and that buzzing is getting on my nerves. Alright. So you take your spanner wrench and you're gonna unlock this locking ring. So you're gonna turn it to the right, I believe. So this is a one time where righty is actually loosey, not tighty. Actually, wait a minute. Huh? That's weird. Alright, so yes, sweetheart. Alright, so it looks like when I tightened this, I accidentally loosened this down here, so I had to just retighten that. So I'm going to need both hands because I need to hold this in place with one spanner wrench while I use the other spanner wrench to unlock this one. Hold on, sweetie. Alright, so after you get the spanner wrench or the locking off, since I'm lowering it, what I do is I put the locking ring to the point of where I need the adjustment made. Ha! Here, we'll turn the music on again in a second, all right? Let me just finish this. All right. So as I said, I need to do about an inch. Almost there. All right, slightly higher. A little bit further. All right, there we go, 1 inch. So now that that's done, what you do is you're going to turn the actual shock tower lefty to lower, righty to raise. So you turn it to the left, and you'll see this gap is going to start closing. So you see it was 1 inch a second ago. It's already, looks like I've already gone over 1/4 inch. Whoops. I've done about 1/8 of an inch difference already. So we're just going to turn it until this gap closes towards sea level. All right, so let me get this done. And then after you do that, you just lock this ring back in place. But hold on. All right, so after you got everything back in place, you're going to put the spanner wrench locked in place. Then you're going to turn it again to the left. That should be nice and tight. Then you should be good. Then you just repeat on all corners, whichever corners you need to raise or lower, and that's all it takes.